Alright, so hello everyone, what is up gamers? My name is Priyam, welcome to another video, and this is gonna be about Windows 11, Windows 11 beta to be specific. So as of right now, Windows 11 has been rolled out to the beta channel in the insider builds section on your Windows settings. So what does it mean for you? Should you switch to Windows 11 now? Is it the perfect time now? Or if you're already using Windows 11 dev channel, should you switch to beta channel now? Let's talk. So basically as of right now, if you're still a Windows 10 user, you can now get yourself Windows 11 on your PC by just selecting the beta channel, which needs you to be in the insider program. More on that on my other video, link is in the description, and it is also the one recommended by Microsoft themselves. The reason behind that is simple. Beta is just supposed to be the more stable version, or you can say the less experimental version, where you may face lesser bugs, but once again you will still face bugs if you are a hardcore user, just lesser. Now if you ask me, I personally think that this is the right time to install Windows 11 on your PC if you've been waiting for something more stable, because this is the public beta, ladies and gentlemen. This is gonna be more stable. And I always find myself installing public betas everywhere, whether if it is iOS, macOS, and in this case, Windows. So if you've been waiting, now is the time. The only disadvantage here if compared to the dev channel is that the dev channel people will get the updates earlier. For example, I'm really waiting for the Android emulation update, and in that case it will be rolled out to the people in the dev channel first, and this line is gonna be slow. First they will fix the bugs and then roll it out to the beta channel. It's almost like we're second in the line. Now since I have Windows 11, would I switch to beta channel right now? Well, I think yes, because considering that I am still at the dev channel, I am not that desperate anymore. I am still desperate, but not that much. For example, if you see that clock right here, if I click on it, my Windows is gonna crash. I don't like that. So I will definitely switch to beta just to save myself from that. It's almost like being a public lab rat if you're in the dev channel. And yes, instead of just complaining about the dev channel thing, I should just mention that it is just not even the right channel for us. Maybe it's the time to back off, and I will right now. And by the way, if you're still at Windows 10, if you want to update to Windows 11, watch my other video which is gonna explain you all about the TPM and stuff. Everything with proper tutorials. Link is in the description once again. Anyway, I would love to hear your opinions in the comments below, like what feature are you most excited about and what bug has annoyed you the most if you're at Windows 11 right now. That's gonna be it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you all in the next one.